Hello friends, myself is Debuki Basu. Again I have come to with my new video which is like you earlier. So today is my special episode. I'll show you more saris, especially in cotton silk and the cotton linen. And this episode is a budget sari. Okay, it's very low cost sari, and you get very good for the gift items, or you can wear for your daily uses. So from Boutique D Design, my boutique name is Boutique D Design from Kolkata, and my phone number you all know. Again I am repeating, 9163860633. If you like my video, please do like, share and comment, so that I can get energy from that to show again my product. So you if you want to order my sari, please WhatsApp me at 9163860633 in this number, and I will guide you what is the payment procedure, and definitely through the only the courier service we can send you uh, my product to you. So let's start to see the sari first. Okay. This is the first sari. These all are very comfortable material, which is in cotton based, cotton silk based, and which is in very in lightweight. Okay. So this is the pallu. Okay. This is the pallu. Right. This is the pallu. Okay, and whole body is like this. Okay, whole body is like this. There is some this is a weaving work. This is a weaving sari. Okay, these all designs are weaving all over. The same design is weaving, and this sari is very comfortable for the daily uses. You can wash at home with liquid soap. And this is the blouse piece with a 1 meter full blouse piece with this sari. This is color is a peach color. Okay, not peach color, this is orange, orange, peach orange, you can say, light orange sari. Okay, peach orange. It's very pastel shades. So if I wear it's like this, so this is the whole sari it comes. Okay, these all are the thread weaving sari. Okay, not the zari. These all are the thread weaves. Okay, so this sari price cost is 1800. I mean the today episode, whatever sari I am going to see you, it's at 1800. All saris price are 1800 only. Okay, so please book the sari. Okay, if you like it, please book the sari. This is the first sari. Okay, cotton silk. Next is also the cotton silk material. It's very lightweight. See, this is the pallu. This is the pallu of the sari. Okay, this is the pallu, and the whole body is like this in the zigzag. This is silver zari weave sari, and this border, both side border is silver thread work. Okay, thread weaving, and this is pink color. It's a pink color sari. Okay, so this is a whole sari is like this, all over the same work is going on. This is a sari. Okay, and with blouse piece, this is a solid color blouse piece, 1 meter. So 1800 you will get, and only 1800 this sari. Please contact with me through WhatsApp, or you can call me. This is the same sari which the same as the last sari, the same design but just different color. So this is a sky color. Okay, this is a pallu and this is a whole body, the silver zigzag weaving. Okay, and the blouse piece, as this is the same sari, I am not opening the full sari, I am showing you the blouse piece. This is a blouse piece. Okay, so 1800 prices. You take that screenshot of my sari which you like it, you want to book it, and through courier you will get your sari, and through net banking or Google Pay there is a 2 payment option. So this is a chocolate color sari. One is very beautiful sari, chocolate color. This is a pallu, okay, and this is a whole body. Okay, and blouse piece is again this in solid color. This is a blouse piece. So if I open this sari, this is a looks of the sari. See, it's a very comfortable material for summer. I mean the all time. It's an all time sari you can wear. Okay. In small party also you can wear this sari. Now coming to cotton linen. This material is also very much comfortable. This material is cotton portion is more is cotton portion. So this is cotton linen sari. Okay, this is a pallu. This also is a silver weaving sari in it's a light yellow. This is a very smooth color. It's a light yellow color. I mean the smart color. Okay, and this is in upper yoke. This zari checks is coming, and in lower yoke these boxes are coming in silver boxes. See, this is a very okay. So the whole sari is like this. So if I open the sari, and this is a blouse piece. This is a solid color blouse piece, and in pallu this is a pom-pom kind of things, tassels, the cotton tassels. So this is the all over saris comes. All these saris are hand wash, home wash sari. Okay, this is a sari looks like. Okay, it's a very smart color. This is also the same design which I show you in the lime yellow shade. So this is a peach color. Okay, this is a pallu. This is a silver zari with a peach color, light peach color, and all over it checks comes silver checks. This is this border comes like this. This is a thread work border, not the zari. These all are the thread work, silver thread. Okay, and the blouse piece comes in stripes. Blouse piece comes in stripes. Okay, in this way. So if I open the sari looks like, see, this is a whole sari. It's all over checks. In upper yoke, this broad stripe comes. This is a sari. These are all the 1800, only 1800. Okay. This is another color. This is a pallu. This chocolate color is a pallu. Okay, chocolate color with silver stripe. And in border, this is a golden and silver zari weaves. Okay, I mean these are the thread, not zari. This is a thread, silver and golden, and the body is like this biscuit color. Okay, light biscuit color. So on in body there is a square panels is there, a square panel. Okay, this box square panel. So whole saree is like this. Okay, see it's very smart saree. Okay, and this blouse piece is in contrast like pallu. This is a blouse piece in chocolate color. Okay, this all are the 1800s. Please take the screenshot and send it to me which you want to like it, and please do like, share and comment on my video, and please subscribe my channel if you want to. Please press the bell icon if you want to see my latest collection. Now this is a same material like cotton linen. This is a pitch pink color. Okay, pitch pink color. Okay, this is a pallu with the silver zari weave, silver and golden mixed zari weave. Okay, and the whole sari is like this buta. All over like it's golden silver buta. Okay, it's very smart sari, and all these sari are in special sets. This is a whole sari. See, this is a whole sari. Okay, so the sari, and the blouse piece of this sari. This is a solid color blouse piece, 1 meter blouse piece. The pitch pink color. Okay, all over buta pitch pink color. Again the same design sari in the chocolate color. This is the pallu of this sari. This is a chocolate color and a golden border, and in achal this golden stripes, and all over sari is in golden and silver buta. Okay, all over sari. See, okay. And the blouse piece also in the same solid color. This is a 1 meter blouse piece. Okay. So this is the sari. This is the look of the sari. Okay, 1800, only 1800 you are getting this sari. These are the budget sari, you can say. Only 1800 you are getting the pure cotton linen, cotton silk sari. This is again the same sari, another Rani color. It is dark pink. Okay, Rani color. This is a pallu in silver style, silver and golden mixed actually. And this buta is also silver and golden mixed. Okay, and blouse piece also in the solid color. This is a blouse piece of this sari. Okay, and the whole sari looks like this. This is a whole sari. Please book this sari at this 9163860633 in this number. You can visit my Facebook page at D Design or Debuki Basu page, for whichever you like it. You can add on me. Now this is also the cotton linen sari, and this is a thread weaves all over the thread weave sari. So this is a pallu. See, this is a pallu. This is a sea green color sari, and this border is onion pink. Okay, onion pink. Border is in onion pink, and stripes is in tasar ketia, ketia tasar. Okay, and this is the upper yoke. It's in plain onion pink waves, and all over body is in buta, and this uh, lower yoke or pleats comes like this triangle weaving triangles in onion pink. So, and blouse piece also in the running blouse. This is a blouse piece of this sari, running blouse, and the sari looks like this. Okay, this is a sari. See the sari. Okay, this is a triangles is coming, and all over buta, all over sari is the same pattern. This is a looks like sari. Sea green and onion pink border. Okay. All our saris are only 1800 you are getting. For gift purpose, this sari is very nice, and for your own also you can take it. See, this is again another color which I shown you in the last sari. This is also in the parrot green. Okay, and pink color, rani colored border, not pink, rani colored border. Okay, parrot green and rani combination. Okay, this achal also in the ketia tasar. These are the ketia weaves. These are the thread weave saris. Okay, this is the upper yoke, and this lower yoke and body comes like this. This triangle threads temple on lower yoke, and all over body is this kind of buta. Okay, and the blouse piece also in the solid color, the same color running blouses. And this is a look of this sari. This is a look of this sari. Okay. So I am ending my video today here. This is episode is 1800. All saris are you are getting only 1800. So if you like this video, please do like, share and comment, and can book my sari on 91638606333. In this number you can WhatsApp me. Take a screenshot of the photo of the sari so that it can be easier for me to get to know which exact sari you want to book it. So till then, goodbye. Myself Debuki Basu from Boutique D Design. See you soon again. Thank you.